Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are in a good condition watching this video. Well, in this video, I would like to tell you how to play Rindic instrument. Well, before we get started, let me introduce myself first. My name is Gus Tilam. I live in Sibang Kaja village and I'm 17 years old. My hobby is playing and sleeping. Well, I school at SMA Negeri 8 Denpasar in 12th grade of 3rd science. Well, I think that's all about me. Let's we get started with Rindic. First, what is Rindic? Rindic is one of many Balinese traditional instruments. Rindic is usually performed in wedding parties. Rindic is also known as Gamelan Joget because the Joget dance usually performs the dance with Rindic. Now, let's we get Rindic. This thing called Rindic. Rindic has 11 tones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11. The first tone called Dong. The second tone called Dan. The third one called Ding. The fourth called Dong. The fifth called Ding. Then repeat again from Dung. Dung, Dang, Ding, Dong, Dang, Dung. So here are 3 tones called Dung. The first one, the 6th and the 11th tone. Well, let's start practice with it. For newbie, you must know the key how to play Rindic. Rindic instrument isn't difficult. Though many people usually talk, Rindic is difficult. That is for the first time, of course. Now let's start. For newbie, I recommend to do this. The first tone plays with the 6th tone, like this. Dung and dung. Then dang and dang. So that this like this. That is the first level of newbies. And then there is a possibility the first tone playing with 4th tone and the second with 5th, like this. That is the example. Now let's combine it. What's this sound? Now, I have one song for newbie. If you like to learning Rindic, you must practice this song. This is for newbie. Listen and look at this. That is the example for newbie. Well, if you want to try harder and keep patient on playing Rindic, in learning Rindic, you will be able to do a very expert song like this. Like that. That is one of the expert songs that I have. Now, I will tell you the Rindic usually played with 3 men. 2 men in Rindic instrument and 1 man playing bamboo flute. Because there is no bamboo flute in my house, I just have 2 Rindic. And then, because there is no person in my house who can play Rindic, now I will practice the Rindic like this. This is the newbie song like that. The example for newbie with 2 panguls. Oh, I forget. This thing called pangul. This is for playing Rindic. Well, I think that is the tips for newbie who wants to learn about Rindic instrument. The key is keep patient, try harder, and do not give up if you want to be an expert Rindic player. Well, I think that's all for me. And goodbye. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry everybody. I forgot that my brother can play Rindic too. Well, this is my brother. His name is Tori Chana. Now, I will play the Rindic song with my brother. This is one of Joget song. The song is like this. It's very simple, but it's looking so expert. Well, I forgot to explain that in Rindic, there is a technique named mundir. Mundir is difficult. A little difficult. Then in Rindic there are 2 components. One is called polos. This is polos, and this is sangsi. Well, now listen the song. Let's go. Well, that is one of Joget song, and the Gunder technique is we play the Rinik a little after the polos, like this. The polos is this, and the sanse is this. The Gunder is in this hand. This is the polos hand. That is called Gunder. Well, I think that's all I forget. Thank you for the attention. Oh yes, if you want to learn more about Rindik, just come to my house in Sibang village. Okay, see you. Bye bye.